Only for mechanical pressure gauges up to 200 PSI-except fuel pressure gauges. For use with mechanical pressure gauges up to 200 PSI. Do not use with fuel pressure, brake pressure, or nitrous pressure gauges. Top reviews from the United States. Must-have product for elbow install. I purchased this since the Autometer Boost gauge did not come with compression fittings and taps to do both the gauge and the elbow. The gauge comes with a plastic tee to be used in line with the map hose. If you have a Ford 6.0, this is not recommended since it causes the boost gauge to flutter. It is best to tap and install onto the intake elbow. If you are using a stock elbow or any elbow that isn't already tapped, you will need to buy this kit so you can connect the hose to the elbow. Also, it is nice to have the extra tube that this kit comes with in case you ever bend the tube that came with the gauge.